सामीन मोहतरम, बातिल को मिटाना है तो बातिल को जानना जरूरी है, और बातिल को जानने के लिए उसकी जबान का आना जरूरी है। जबानें सारी की सारी अल्लाह की आयात हैं। किसी भी जबान का सीखना गुनाह नहीं बल्कि अजर सवाब का बायस है। जामिया दारुल-इस्लाम में चार जबानें सिखाई जा रही हैं। नंबर 1 उर्दू, नंबर 2 फारसी, नंबर 3 अरबी और नंबर 4 इंग्लिश। So now I would like to invite Mr. Bala Liaquat from 8th class for English speech. Mr. Bala Liaquat.
Today my topic is Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, the poet of universe. A glance of someone has elevated Iqbal. The people have been fascinated by Iqbal. O star, tell to where has defeated Iqbal. The region of the wisdom has easily been crossed by Iqbal, but in the kingdom of love has entrapped Iqbal. Worthy Mr. President and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. 9th November every year remains a significant day and date when a child took birth in Sialkot, who changed not only the government setup in India but infused a new spirit among the Muslims of subcontinent. It was Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal who appeared on the scene of this mysterious world with ability to prove deeper and deeper into the real nature of the mysteries of this ever-changing world. Dear Mr. President, Iqbal have a unique, graceful and matchless style of poetry, both in Urdu and Persian language. No doubt he didn't write poetry for the sake of poetry, but to improve the status of man, particularly the Muslim of subcontinent. Iqbal no doubt tried hard to wake his nation that was lying in the chains of slavery, but it does not mean that he had no sympathy for the rest of the world. In fact, he is the poet of universe, the central character of the universe. The man is the basic topic of his poetry. He tries his best man make realize himself and his positive capabilities. Khudi, the realization of oneself, in his main symbol which he has used throughout his poetry. Iqbal gave the message of hope, love, unity and peace to the holy humanity and says, हवस ने कर दिया है टुकड़े टुकड़े नौ इंसान को, हवस ने कर दिया है टुकड़े टुकड़े नौ इंसान को, अखुवत का बयां हो जा, मोहब्बत की ज़ुबान हो जा. The lust of power and greed for wealth has the spirit of humanity apart with the language of brotherhood and narration of love. When he sees the horrible wars and battles and bloodshed everywhere in the world, he calls out, अभी तक आदमी से देश बुने शहरियारी है, अभी तक आदमी से देश बुने शहरियारी है, क़यामत है कि इंसान और इंसान का शिकारी है. Man is a pitiable hunt in the clutches of the king and leaders. He is the pity that the man of the killer and man. Dear Mr. President and peace-loving audience, the poetry of Iqbal is pretty with the message of hope, love, unity and peace. Now it is up to us to be benefited by his precious message and make the world a living of paradise, love and peace. I end my speech on this line. Iqbal gave the message of hope and love. He wanted us to be as innocent as dove. There is all around war, terror and bloodshed everywhere. The world is green but not red. Wassalam.